Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create fun cartoon avatars for free over your browser, and it's really fun that you can use those avatars that you have generated over multiple platforms. So now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser and in the search bar, just simply hit getavatars.com. Make sure there are too many A's in the avatar spelling. Once you do that, just simply hit enter. Now here you can see avatar has been generated for you, and you can change the settings for the avatar as well. There are multiple settings available for you. Once you are done with the settings, here you can see the download options as well. You can get the PNG, the SVG, the React code or the image code as well for the same generated avatar, and you can use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.